Hey there, Tamid Rahim, and just an update on the K10 project. So there's essentially two. Well, first let's take a look at the mobile phone view. So essentially, some of the things that we added in here. So is the tutor card. So essentially, one of the viral loops that we created is that tutors are able to share their card, and and essentially we use a bit of LLMs to generate out the card. Essentially, it adds a little tagline here as well for them. They have a little book, contact, and message and so forth. They can share this into essentially with Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever it is on the Apple side. And if you upload a picture, which I don't have right now, you're able to essentially send a little virtual business card to people. And as you do, which actually I'll show the parent side of the viral loop first. So effectively, you have the weekly reel. So let me see if that is. There we go. So this is the weekly reel. So what this encourages the parent to do is essentially share the progress of their children. So if you press tap to view, it gives you a little Spotify-like overview on what's happening for the week. So you have essentially completed all homework, quadratic equation. So essentially, the way this works is, well, this is sort of like, obviously I catered out this data, but effectively it's from the chat and the sessions. So messages which get sent between the tutor and the parent, it gets saved in a weekly summary, and that summary is converted into essentially um, this little weekly progress reel. And this they're able to share again via Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever it may be. But essentially, it's proud parents who want to share the progress of their kids, and tutors who want to share with two other parents and stuff. They're essentially a virtual business card. On top of that, the way we incentivize the tutors is essentially we have points that they earn if they share their tutor card, and effectively what we want to eventually put in is a leaderboard where the top tutors who should have the most exp are advertised as tutor of the week to all parents in the area, and that way they're getting a lot more exposure and earning some more money. Next, we'll be talking a bit about the dashboard, the back-end dashboard that we built out, and yeah, let me switch over to that. There we go. So for the dashboard itself, essentially a lot of it is mock data, as we don't have too many users at this stage. But roughly what we wanted to do, the way this is working out is the mobile application is connected to the backend with our Firebase Firestore, and this admin board is also connected to that same Firebase Firestore. So essentially, you're able to get that same data out directly from the phone via Firestore Firebase. Of course, we don't have users, we don't have anything of that sort, but as the numbers rise, we're able to track them through here. Yeah, I think you. That's all we have for essentially the K10 project. My aim was to essentially create viral loops in the mobile application, and then have a way to track them to ensure that you're getting the right K value out. And that's what we have built out for them. Thank you. Hi there, this is Tamid Rahim. So this is one of the projects that we're working with for Teamfront, and essentially it's creating a nice professional looking financial ERP for them. So just to go over a couple of the things, essentially you're able to log in what we have built so far. You're able to log in. Let me do that. And I try to focus on really, because the project itself was not very complex, I try to focus a lot on having a clean UI and interface so that people using it have a very smooth experience. They're able to have list all their customers here, see active versus non-active customers on this side, inactive customers on this side. They're able to view or edit, essentially view more information and view exact invoices from there. They're also able to edit the information about the customer, or of course add new customers to the system. Yeah, so on the invoices side, you're able to see all the invoices that you've paid or sent to viewers. You've created an invoice, and yeah, so essentially it's a very simple but very effective, very clean application of an ERP. Thank you very much.